Okay folks, what we got here is a battery booster. Won't keep a charge. This is what happens when you take this guy and you throw it in the trunk for about a year and forget about it, and you plug it in and it won't charge. And we're going to try to breathe some life back to it today. If you look here on the instructions, it says important. Charge immediately after you purchase for 36 hours. And then here it says failure to maintain charge of battery will cause premature damage and void the warranty. Look, it's in plain English. But no, seriously, you have to keep these things charged up. You can't just throw it in your trunk and leave it there for about a month or two and then plug it back in. These things will discharge, and then the way they're charged, they doesn't have enough power to charge them back. And it's just not a good idea to have it rolling around in your trunk anyhow. So you charge them up, leave them charged, and when you use them, pull them off, and then you use them and then put them back on the charger. Alright, one of the things I like to do is I'll come in and I'm going to take it apart, and we're going to take a look on the inside and remove these screws here. I've seemed to misplace my spudger. Let me get my spudger. Well, it appears somebody wanted to use my spudger more than me, or needed it more than I did. Let's take the handle off, and let's take a look on the inside. And it's just your standard little lead battery right here. This side we have transformer. Looks like everything's fine. I don't see any loose wires. Let's get in here and take a look at this side of it. Yep, this looks like a really dead battery. Inspect the battery, make sure it's not cracked or leaking or anything. Alright, now I pulled out the old battery charger. See if I can get my clamps in here to where it's safely clamped on. Alright, we'll look half-ass safe there. And we're going to charge it. Alright, while you're charging this thing, you want to keep an eye on it. Put your hand on it, check to see if it's getting hot. Alright, let's put the multimeter on it and see what we got. About 3 volts on it. Let's charge it a little bit longer. Okay, that took a lot longer than what I initially thought. I had to put it on the battery charger overnight. Do not charge batteries in your house. It's just not a good idea. And if you are going to do it, be sure you're by the battery. I had to take it outside and charge it overnight. But after charging it overnight, if you can see right here, the light's coming on, it's starting to take a charge. So let's test the battery. See what kind of voltage we can get on this. Oh, 11.3, 11.4 volts. And it looked like it was steady too, so. Yep, it's steady. So now, all you have to do, after you get it to hold the charge like that, is we're going to plug it in. Lights coming on. Everything seems to be working with it. And we're going to let it charge overnight, and that's pretty much it, folks. Just let it charge probably a day or so plugged in like this, and it should work just fine after that. So if you have problems with these battery boosters, you leave it in the trunk for a year, take it out, charge the battery, and then test it out instead of throwing them away. If you like this video, give me the thumbs up. Need more subscribers, and you guys have a good day.